So Ras, we tried to 3D print a hook for industrial purposes on a 3D printer that would cost around 2,500 euros. And we'll just see now, we hooked it up and we will attempt to lift 250 kilograms. So I'll just introduce everybody. Who do we have here?
We have research and development engineer Arvonini from Finland.
And who do we have here?
Warehouse chef of Thürmer Tools.
And where are you from?
Lithuania.
And your name?
Milvidas.
Milvidas. And who do we have here?
I'm Sriraj. I'm a research and development engineer from India.
And my name is Thürmer. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so we start lifting. How many kilos are we lifting now?
It's 120 kilograms now.
Okay, let's try. How long time did it take to 3D print this part?
This particular hook took only 2 hours.
And how much more do you expect we could put on it?
At this rate, I think we can go double size right now. It will be around 250.
Let's do it. And this is lifting 500 kilos with a 3D printed hook. Printed for 2 hours. And I said it wrong, it's not 500 kilos, it's 1 ton. Just come on, let's try to lift this and see what happens. Will it break? Or will it hold? Oh, it broke. We'll print a new one. Pretty cool, but still, we got to lift 250 kilos and it worked. So that's quite amazing. 3D printing is becoming something we can do everyday use locally. And that's what we're trying to do here at Thürmer Tools. We're trying to do localized, sustainable production on demand. That means that we're going to produce wherever we need something, when we need it. We call it the pull system. So today, if you see all these things we have here, this is the push system. We just produce and then we sell to wholesalers, they say to end users. So we're kind of pushing all the products out. But what we're trying to do with Thürmer 3D print department, with all these cool guys, is creating a pull system. So we'll actually just produce whatever we need when we need it. And that makes quite a lot of sense. Have a nice weekend.